Oscar here. Today I'm going to bring a video regarding the DJI Mavic Mini. So we all know that the drone has been out for about almost 1 year. So it was released at the end of October 2019. This amazing drone has been great to me. I take it out often and I shoot some great videos, and it has been amazing. I actually did get the Fly More combo earlier this year in about March 2020. So the drone initially was pretty basic, and then we got some updates which gave us a lot of tools to be able to make the footage even better. So as you all know, the drone was defective and it recently got repaired. So when I got the drone back, I started flying once again, and I noticed that the signal was actually stronger. So I'm able to fly a little bit further. I usually take it only about 2,000 feet from me. And the height, I try to keep it up about 300, no more than that. So that's my preference. Previously, I would lose signal at about 1,000 to 1,300 feet away from me, and I would get disconnection. So that was something that I was having an issue with. On the other hand, we know that the DJI Mavic Mini has a Wi-Fi signal. So recently, and to be more specific, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. To be more specific, about a week ago, the drone got a update, but the update was recently done through the DJI Fly app. This was about a week ago, and the version is 1.1.10. All it says is it fixes app crashing issues and improves overall stability. So then we go here into the actual history of the DJI Fly app updates. So about a week ago, it was 1.1.10, and it fixes the app crashing issues. Then about a month ago, they have the 1.1.9, which it says about the same. So I know I have seen on other YouTube videos that apparently the range of the signal got improved, or it got an update, or it got a firmware update. So if you guys are experiencing improved signal strength, comment just below, just to see if it's just me or a lot of you guys are experiencing the improvements. I do have the iPhone version of the app, so that's a question that I had, and I'm not sure if you guys are experiencing the same. So thank you for watching the video, and I will be bringing more videos with my DJI Mavic Mini. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, just comment below. If you guys are interested on the type of equipment that I use, You can go ahead and find that in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.